You like that bone? Yeah, that was a nice one, huh? You like it better than that raccoon? I guess that's a yes. Makes a nice sound. What? That one's funny, buddy. Good girl. That's a good advent calendar, huh? That one makes a weird sound. You like that sound, huh? Good girl. Good girl, Putty. Oh, nice. Wow. Really get your teeth into that. It's got a weird sound to it. Good girl. I'm gonna say that's a hit, huh?